Choosing a business idea sounds simple until you actually sit down and pick one. Suddenly you feel overwhelmed. Should you follow your passion? Should you follow the money? Should you copy what the gurus are shouting about online? Or should you choose the thing that you enjoy, that feels realistic? It feels like one wrong move will ruin everything before you even get started. This is part 2 of my 4-part series called Starting a Business with No Entrepreneurial Experience. In part 1, we talked about what you need to know before becoming an entrepreneur and the 4 ways your life will absolutely shift. Today, we're moving into how to choose your business idea. If we're meeting for the first time, hello, I'm Jessica, but you can just call me Jess. I've spent more than 20 years building my career before stepping into entrepreneurship myself. I grew up surrounded by entrepreneurs, and now I help business owners start and grow businesses that actually work in the real world. Not theory, not hype, real strategy that helps you build something solid. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 things you need to consider before choosing your business idea. These 4 ingredients work together like a formula and help you pick something that fits your life, your skills, and the people you want to serve. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose a business idea that fits your strengths, your joy, your community, and your income goals, without guessing or, worse yet, chasing trends. Number 1, you need to pick what you love. Last time you and I talked, I told you about Journey, but today I want to tell you about Tara. Tara has been creative since she was a child, drawing and painting and designing. She used to fill sketchbooks faster than her mom could buy them. When she grew older, her creativity turned into digital art and illustrations and design work for friends. But she never really saw it as a business. She just saw it as something she loved to do. When Tara finally decided she was ready to become an entrepreneur, she started Googling the same thing everyone else Googles. What's the best business to start? And everything she found pushed her towards things she didn't enjoy at all. Drop shipping and affiliate marketing and trendy side hustles, and none of it felt like her. So she took a step back and she asked herself, what do I love to do enough that I would do it for the next however many years? And the answer was simple for her. She loved creating. She loved color and visual storytelling. She loved helping people bring an idea to life through design. And that became the first part of her formula. So what exactly did Tara do here? She gave herself permission to choose something she genuinely enjoyed. She stopped trying to force herself into a business idea that didn't fit her, and instead leaned into the part of her that had always been creative. She didn't rush. She sat with her memories and her hobbies and the things she naturally gravitated toward. That gave her the clarity she needed to trust her direction. And you can do this too. Take a moment and write down everything you naturally love doing, even if you've never thought of turning it into a real business. Think about the activities that energize you and the topics you could talk about for hours. Think about the tasks you always volunteer to do without even thinking, and make a list of the moments in your life where you felt most proud and most excited. These patterns matter. They point you toward ideas that can sustain long term. When you choose a business idea that you genuinely enjoy, you give yourself room to stay motivated and stay consistent and build something that fits who you are. All right, number 2, pick what you're good at. Loving something is one thing. Being skilled at it is another. Thankfully, Tara had both. Tara took a close look at what she was already good at instead of chasing skills she didn't have. She recognized that years of drawing and designing and experimenting with color, creating digital art, had shaped her into someone with real talent, even if she had never gotten a formal degree in it. She listed out the projects that she'd done for friends and the things that people always asked her for. All the creative work that she had completed with confidence. This gave her a true picture of her strengths. This alleviated the pressure to be good at things she knew nothing about. She leaned into the gifts she already carried. Now, I want you to try. I want you to write down the skills you have that you already know you're really good at. And do not tell me you are not good at anything. Don't tell me you don't have a skill. Everyone has a skill. Everyone. Think of the things you've done consistently over the years. Think about the tasks people come to you for. Think about the compliments you've received. These are your clues. Your strengths don't have to be perfect. They just need to be real. Once you see your skills laid out in front of you, you'll notice patterns. And those patterns will tell you what you can do confidently to build your business around. All right, cool. Now let's get into number 3, which is pick what the world needs. This is where things get interesting. Tara knew she loved design and she was good at design, but she still needed to know if the world actually needed what she offered. This is the moment where Tara moved from, I like this, to people actually need this. She realized she couldn't choose a business idea based on passion, so she started studying the world around her. She paid attention to the struggles people talked about online. She noticed how many new businesses had chaotic, mismatched branding. She saw creators begging for help with logos and illustrations. She even looked at local shops that were still using outdated flyers and menus and thought, I know exactly how to make this better. That's when it clicked. Her creativity solved real problems that people couldn't solve on their own. And that meant her idea had purpose. It had a place in the world. It mattered. You'll need to identify if what you love and what you're good at is a demand in the world. Start by paying attention to what the people around you are struggling with. Look at comment sections and community groups. Look at the questions people ask over and over. Ask yourself, what is something that people are constantly frustrated by that you know you could fix? Make a simple list of problems you've seen in your job, in your industry, in your community, or even in your friend group. Then circle the ones you can truly help with. When your business idea solves a real problem, it has weight, it has direction, and it has a much stronger chance of becoming something people actually want to buy. Now, if you're enjoying this video, I invite you to become a member of the community. You'll gain access to very valuable perks and ongoing support that can help you build your business and grow your business with confidence. The link for this is below. Now let's move on to number 4. Pick what people will pay for. This, y'all, is the final piece. Tara knew she loved design. She knew she was good at it. She knew people needed it. But she also understood that none of that matters unless people are willing to pay real money. So she started small. She didn't overthink it. She created a list of services she could deliver with confidence. Things like short branding packages, digital illustrations, and mini design projects. She priced them in a way that felt fair to her and accessible for her clients. Then she offered them to real people. That's the scary part. She posted a few examples of her work. She reached out to people that had asked for her help before. She shared her services in places where new business owners were looking for design support. And when clients began saying yes, she knew her idea was viable. That validation, it changed everything for her. It gave her the confidence and direction and proof that she was building something worth pursuing. So your next step is to look at your business idea and ask yourself, what's the smallest version of this someone would pay for? Break your idea into small bite-sized offers. Create one or two small services, small products, small experiences that are easy for someone to buy. Then share them with real people. You can post on social media or tell your network, test online communities, offer it to people who've asked for something similar in the past. The goal here isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to see whether people are willing to exchange money for the value you provide. That one step tells you more about your idea than months of planning ever will. When real people pay you for something you created, you've validated your idea and you've proven that demand does exist. From there, you can grow confidently. Now, if you want some help choosing the right business idea and going through the full decision-making process, step by step, I invite you to join the Business Launch Formula, which just launched. Inside, you'll walk through the entire process in detail. You'll learn how to evaluate your ideas and understand what fits your life and identify the needs of your audience. I'll help you choose an idea that makes the most sense for you. This program, it's going to give you structure and guidance support at every stage, and the link is below. Or if you prefer to walk through the program in a group setting, sign up for the Business Launch Formula cohort waitlist. It's the same program as the Business Launch Formula, but in a 5-week live community-based cohort. It starts in January of 2026, and the link for the waitlist is below as well. In the next video, we're going to talk about what you need to know before launching your business to the world. We'll dig into who your audience is and how to think about pricing and how to create real value. And most importantly, how to build a simple business ecosystem that supports your growth long term. So I will see you in the next video.